Perform this exercise lying on your back with your arms lying horizontal to your torso and your feet supported. Maintaining stable shoulder and arm positions, use your torso to rotate your knees from side to side. Repeat these movements in a slow and controlled manner to perform this strengthening exercise. When performed correctly, you should feel this exercise working your oblique abdominal muscles,